Hi guys, how are you doing today? So I want to do some cleaning. I've just woken up and it's a very beautiful day. It's about 7 in the morning and I just want to take you through, guys. So come with me. By the way, guys, I want to tell you about this poof. Is it called a poof or something? I think so. So this poof I was given by a very good friend of mine. He's making beds, chairs, and all those furniture stuff, and he does a very good job. I will insert a picture of a bed he's making for us. So he gave us this as a present, and then he was just trying to show us how quality the things he's making are. So this is one of them, and it is very strong. It's very beautiful. The material here, it's so perfect. It's soft. So I really like his work. When the bed gets here, I'm gonna try it, and then I will just hook you guys up with him. This thing, I bought it at Corona Market. Right now it's Kibuye Market. Isn't it cute? And I just saw it, the colors, they were just giving me the vibes. And I didn't really know what I'm gonna do with it, so I just took it. It was around 50 shillings. And I keep it here just to make the mirror more beautiful. What do you think? But then if there's one thing I hate, ni kukunja manguo na kupiga pasi. Ironing, oh my god. Even my husband knows that I don't like ironing. I do not like. But sometimes I just do it because I have to. That's what I signed up for. So, inabidi. So guys, by the way, I want us to talk about something. I want us to talk about women supporting fellow women. When a guy does not support you in your business or whatever that you're doing, like for example for me in my content creation thing, utaelewa tu, like he's a guy, so he doesn't understand what we go through to put food on our table. Some people hawana certificates, or they are not privileged to go to school and finish and get the papers. And so there are some jobs they do that are not nice for you. As a man, you will judge them, but as a woman, you are not supposed to do that. Please don't do that. And then, wewe umesoma, umemaliza. You guys remember this outfit? My hubby wore it on our Nyombo ceremony video that day. So if you haven't watched that video, please go back and watch it because it was a very nice one. So as I was saying, a woman should support a fellow woman because I'm telling you, that's what we're born for. We should support each other. There's no need of mtu ame struggle kwanza biashara and then you don't support her. And then hata kama umsupport, but then you still go out and then discourage other women or their friends to not to support their business. It is so disheartening. Mtu ameanza kazi, content creation, or even anything else, just whatever the person is doing, the woman is doing. Please, You need to support that woman. That's when we will grow. Okay? By the way, guys, I think women are just born with uchungu. Sijui. In my language, it's called ichlit. Ichlit in Luo. In translation, that is tumba uchungu. Please comment down below. Ni tumba uchungu ama inaitwaje? It is jealousy. Like you don't see somebody doing well and then you're happy about it. Yeah? Unasikia tu kiwaru. So you find bad things to talk about, negative things, negative comments about that woman. And then you go about looking for other friends who will support you on your negativity. But we find that everywhere you go. Mostly in maybe working facilities, like where I work. Some people are not always happy with what you do. So they will just form groups, discussion groups. So you think they're going to discuss something important and serious. Kumbe, it's you who's being discussed. Hiyo tumeshazoea by the way. Mimi, I developed a thick skin, a very thick skin kitambo sana. Kitambo! So, whatever people say about me, imagine when you hainihusu. So that's how I try to block those negative vibes. Not here, not with me. So this is my pharmacy area, but I keep the things I use for applying on my face and my body, like the glycerin, the Zoe, and the whatever I apply on my face. And these are all the medications for my baby and for us, the ones we've ever used and maybe tukapona tukachana nayo, and we'll still use them. This is my gali area. So this bag, I bought it at 100 shillings in Kibuye here in Kisumu. So it's a makeup bag. So here you can put your stuff, and then inside here I have my angolos. my shades, and then other things for makeup that I use. So these are my pads here, my liners. These are my eyeshadow and whatever, lashes, extra ones. Up here I have my Garnier products. By the way, I had started using them, and then you can notice they're not working for me. Ama mi ndo nilikuwa na haraka, by the way. Hebu comment below. Ama it gets worse before it gets better. Laki sijui, cause I gave up. So I had the cleansing foam, and then this is the thing I use for scrubbing. I've used it for a long time. Then this is the even tone matte, even and matte, whatever. And then the serum. No, this is the serum, vitamin C, and then the cream. What I didn't buy was the dark spot corrector. That one I didn't really buy it. Then here I have some stuff. This is a dye, this is a super glue, hydrogen peroxide, my gel when I used to have dreadlocks, but now I still use it once in a while. Relaxer, earbuds, my hair food treatment, kiwi for my babies. These are the things I use for dyeing. 2 dyes I have here. This is the container I use. Then another mirror is here. My heels down there, and the other shoes are up here. My clothes, shorts, dresses and trousers, my bras, my tops. These are my girl's clothes, but I want her to come and arrange them because I'm trying to teach her to be responsible. Yeah, so I'm not gonna do that for her. And there's some shoes I don't put on anymore, so I've removed them. I'm gonna give them out. So this one, I used to love it so much. I used to go out clubbing with it, but I got stable apa shaky, so I'm giving it out. This one also, I used to love it, but I don't love it anymore. May chop up here somehow. So these ones, guy, my best boots, my best. Wow, yeah. This one, I'm heartache, cause they're so comfortable. But hapa nyuma, let's see what's going on here. Just look at it, guy. Inaribika, sharibika, imechipuka. And I really love them, guy. Akinikivai these shoes and some very short dress, guys, I rock. But it's time for them to go, so bye bye, my best boots. I think they're still new, but I don't like these kind of shoes. They're not my thing. I was given by someone, an ex, like a present, but yeesh, Mrs. Pendiaki. If you like them, just let me know. Nikupatie for free. I'm not even selling. So just comment or call me if you have my number. Takupatia. See ya. Don't like them. I think I can't put on these boots anymore. So if you want them, holla, or just comment. Dress. My girl used to wear it when she was, I think, 3 years. So cute. We made it for my brother's wedding, but ameishinda sasa. So if you have a girl who fits this dress, comment or call me. I'll give it to you. Okay? It's still new, by the way. Still very, very new. Katika na dresses.